everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pense, and let's see what the month of September 2020 has in store for the sun sign Pisces. For the Pisces, this month is going to be an extremely emotionally blessed month. You are just going to be simply very happy on all the fronts of your life, and this could lead to a little bit of you feeling overwhelmed, and sometimes that is okay, but the month is yours. It's going to be a very happy month, so just go ahead and enjoy. In the workspace, again, as I said, the entire month is going to be very happy, and so things will move very nicely, and people will be supportive at your work. It is going to be that kind of a month where there are no obstacles, there are no issues, there are no arguments, there are no fights. You just go, you have a lovely day of work, and you come back, and this happens for the entire month, due to which you feel very connected not only with your work but also with your colleagues at work. So what happens is the creative input and the productivity of your work really increases very beautifully. So yes, it's a very good month at your work as well. Coming down to finances, because you're going to be so happy for this entire month, so what you could do is probably nicely spend on yourself, indulge in a lot of activities, pamper yourself. Let's say buy gifts for your loved ones, buy gifts for yourself. Just see to it that you don't go overboard, because the Pisceans, you're going to be having such an emotionally fulfilled month that everything is going to be a little bit melodramatic and a little bit more extra. So while everything is perfectly fine, just pay attention to it that you don't overdo the things. Okay. Also, when it comes to relationship, now just imagine a month where you and your partner are nicely tuned into each other. There are these lovely conversations happening. He's doing his thing, you're doing his thing, and everything just flows in very effortlessly, and it's literally a month of marital bliss. Even for people who are single, your family members and you could be having a beautiful time. There could be some kind of a good news coming, and you will be very happy just looking at how the things are going and flowing in your month. So yes, even relationships wise, it's a very beautiful month, and because things go very smoothly, you are actually going to be in your own sweet, emotional, comfortable zone. So enjoy the month by all the means. Coming to health, if in case you've been recuperating for something, or if you've been suffering from something, this month will see to it that your healing process or your recovery process starts speeding up. You will have your people around to cheer you up, and when you're emotionally happy, you're able to overcome the physical illness a lot more better and a lot more quickly, because of which the healing also starts going fast. So overall, if in case you're suffering from something, the healing will go well. But let's say you're not suffering from as it is anything right now, the entire month is going to go very beautifully. And yes, again, I would like to repeat myself, just see to it that you don't overdo, maintain things in a balance, and have a very blissful and a blessed month ahead. Thank you.